Employees who travel for official government business are blank from paying the airport tax. Is it A, exempt, B, accepted, C, exemption, D, exempt? Ang bilis ko magpindot, dire-diretso. You may comment down. Comment your answer in question number 4. Okay, taas ang kamay ng nakakita ng sagot. Again, question number 4. Employees who travel for official government business are blank from paying the airport tax. Is it A, exempt, B, accepted, C, exemption, or D, exempt? Katie, Hilda, D, Iwan, C, Jofer, D, Shannon, B. Please review your answer. Mary, D, me, D, Reggie, Ali, Mera, Cindy, Eileen, Glenn. Lurvy, D, Mira, Jose. Naka-heart na emoji si Ednalyn. Baka nakita niyo yung sagot. Rowell A, Sydney D, Anisel D, Jane D, Catalea. Very beautiful name, Catalea. Cheryl D, Josephine, Katie D. Okay. D, bonus po, ma'am. Yeah, according to Jaya. Exempted dapat siguro, ma'am, sabi naman ni Dayan. Sabi niya, exempted dapat, ma'am. Employees who travel for official government business are exempted. Accepted? From? Exempted po yata. Okay, let's try that. So bonus daw. For number 4, this is perhaps our bonus round, bonus question, because I unintentionally reveal the answer a while ago. Dali-dali kasi ako ng pagpindot. So for number 4, it's letter D. Let's try to know why it's letter D, kasi most of you are saying, Ma'am, Coach, exempted po ata dapat. So let's try to analyze. Actually, it is an expression. Diba? I don't know if you were able to watch my live. Kailan ba yun? Yung sa good at, diba? Hindi natin siya inaalis dapat doon. Our misconception, we keep on saying good in, you are good in dancing, good in ganyan, without even knowing that that is really an expression, yung good at. Our structure, good at plus ing, yung sa Joran, good at dancing, good at singing. Same goes with this one, no? If our blank followed by from, automatically, we have to pick exempt. Because this is the correct expression, exempt from. So this exempt from, it means free from an obligation or requirement. Employees who travel for official government business are exempt from. So our grammar pattern here that we should follow, exempt from plus noun or gerund. Just like here in our example, exempt from yung paying. What are the other examples? Exempt from taxes. Exempt from military service. Okay? Again, how about the others? Why are they incorrect? So for exempt, ginamit na natin siya kanina, and we all know when we say exempt, that's excluding. Yung accepted naman, uncommon. No? It's very uncommon. It's awkward in this given example. Business are accepted, right? Exemption, it's a noun, not an adjective. That's why for this one, remember, it's an expression, the correct grammar pattern, exempt from plus noun or gerund. Okay?